Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset network connections on your Key Light Neo from ELGATO. So if there is something wrong with it, it doesn't connect to your device, it has been connected to a different network earlier, then you need to reset its network connection. To do it, you will need a pin, needle, or whatever I have right now. You can also use a SIM card tray opener from a phone, and you'll find this reset hole, and you need to put the like pin, needle, whatever into that hole and hold for 10 seconds until the light flashes 3 times. So let's try to do that. It has indeed flashed 3 times, so that should be reset. And if it isn't yet, then just wait a moment until it actually resets. And I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.